my goodness. Right? How cute. I got 2 beds so that Matt can just crash, because these are queens and we're used to kings. So this way, after work, he can just relax. And then this little cute bench, so I can like sit there maybe and read while it's raining, because it's always raining. And now I'm just gonna see how I could surprise him, because he has no idea I'm here. So I'm looking around and I'm like, where is the TV remote? I looked over here. I looked over here, because it's not here. It's not under there. It's not in any of these little slots. And then they clean the remote. Can you just stand it? That just blew my mind, because I have wipes, I clean everything. They clean the remote. Okay. That was just a little extra that I wanted to show you. Here's the little mini Winnie that he stays in when he's away from work. It's pouring rain. I'm coming in here. I'm gonna grab all his clothes and I'm gonna bring them to the hotel and wash them. Look at his poor clothes, because he works in the rain and the mud. Look at him, he's taking off his muddy shoes. Poor guy. Look at his muddy boots. He left them out there. Oh my God. I shopped till I dropped, and the bag was so heavy. I think I should have gone to eat first and then shopped, but I started shopping first, and the bag was so heavy that by the time I went to where I ate, which was all the way on the other side of the mall, outside into the thing, it's Prementi Brothers, very famous in Pittsburgh, and they're opening up chains everywhere, but it was so good. The food was really good. I mean, I had a salad. But then when I was carrying everything back, and I got complimentary funnel cake fries from the manager for Matt. So when he gets home from work today, I have that for him. But I was walking back with this bag that was so heavy, and then those fries in the other small bag. Oh my gosh, I shopped too much. I spent too much money I shouldn't have. I wasn't gonna go to the mall. I shouldn't have gone to the mall. When we get back to the hotel, I'll show you all the stuff that I got. Okay, who's ready to see the haul? I threw it all in this one bag. Look at how stretched out it is, because it's so heavy. Okay, wallet. I got this cute shirt from Express. This shirt from Express. These jeans. Oh my God. These jeans, I didn't know if they were gonna fit. I was scared they weren't gonna fit. And I tried them on, you know how you try them on, and I got them to like my thighs. And you know, usually you could tell like when it's kind of like on your thighs, you're like, it's gonna be hard. But it slipped right past my thighs onto, and I was like, oh my God, they're gonna fit. Anyway, they're bell bottoms and high waist because the 70s and 80s are back, I guess. Like, I'm not getting rid of any more clothes. I'm just gonna put them in a trunk and they're gonna stay there until my daughter wants to wear them. Anyway, look at how cute, right? Oh my gosh. So all these pants, brand new jeansies, bell bottoms from Express, these two shirts, $70 for all on sale. Okay, and then I got, are you ready? Cute, right? Actually, I can even wear it with this stuff. Okay, then I went to Yankee Candle. That's what I gotta do. I gotta ask them if they have a lighter at the hotel. I got this candle. It smelled so good. I was like, I have to get this candle. It is, can you see it? Yeah, it smells really good. We're gonna light that tonight if we can. Then I went to DSW, Designer Shoe Warehouse, and I got me my sneakers. No, I put my sneakers in here because I got myself slip-on Skechers. Right? Cute. Wore them as soon as I got them. And then I got this. It's a little container that has Stitch on it because Stitch is back in the movies. And my daughter loved Lilo and Stitch. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? So I got her a little box that I'll give her for, I don't know what. We'll see what occasion, if I just give it to her for no occasion or if I save it for something. But and that's the haul, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye, cute hotel room. It was fun while it lasted. I actually sat in this seat and read for a little bit too. It was nice. Very cute. And very nice place to stay. I would definitely recommend. I already put some stuff in the car and that's all that's left. Can you see all the mountains in the background? The river. See it behind me? So I stopped for two reasons. One was because this is a scenic outlook area. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna stop here. But two, because somebody sent me a birthday video that I had to stop and watch. There's another view of it. I mean, mountains as far as you can see. Crazy. Really gorgeous view. I pulled off the side of the road. You know how I told you when I was traveling across, where was I going? Chicago. When I was doing my Chicago trip and I said, you know, I usually just put in the driving instructions and then just go. So I'm coming back from seeing my husband.
I switched a couple of times because I was like, no, I want the other route. I want the other route. Well, I wound up missing my one exit that I normally would take to get back home. And so I'm coming home a different way. And it happens to be where all the state parks are, where the lakes are, where all this stuff is. And I didn't have you hooked up. We missed it all because I couldn't grab pictures of it. So I decided the rest of the way, which is another hour and 14 minutes, I'm going to record all the different things that I see as I go and share it with you. So let's move along, shall we? There you go. Okay. Now, I apologize for the dirty windshields. But here, I'm going to move you over too so you can see the middle more. Like that. I don't know if that's going to work. I think when the sun comes out, you're going to get... It won't come through. But we'll see what we get. Imagine living right here. That's pretty, huh? I love tall trees like that when they're on each side of the road. This area is the darkest area at night on the whole eastern side of the country. Stargazers come here, people that come from all over when there's something exciting that's going to happen, and view the stars from here. Cherry Springs, Highway to the Stars, it's called. I'm finally back in a zone where I can receive texts, so they're probably all going to be coming in now. I don't know if I got any phone calls. My music still hasn't kicked on yet. But I have 2 bars, so we're getting there. Allegheny Mountains, elevation 2480, 2,480. That's why my ears are popping. I believe they have like cabins that you can rent right out on the area. It's like a flat area, and they have, they bring out telescopes, and people come from all over to view certain phenomenon that are happening with the stars. And then right up here, Highway to the Stars. This is where they have all the views and stuff. I think they're renovating. They're redoing it. I'm home. I have arrived. I did the pee-pee dance. I got in there before anything could happen. At my age, things can happen. Unpacked the car, took care of all my plants and all my gardens and everything else. Those poor things were like, help me. So I did all that first. And on my porch, I found, my daughter called me on my birthday and she said, Mama, I have a gift for you, but it's gonna take a little while. It's from Etsy. And then when I was away, she texted me and said, it's probably gonna be there today. And I said, that's good, because that's when I'll be back home. Perfect timing. Got here today. Shall we open it? Do you want to see what it is? I want to see what it is. Very excited. So many surprises today. My one friend who we recently reconnected, and she had texted me because she said, I know your birthday's in June, like, but I can't remember when. And in her mind, it was the 11th. And I said, oh, it's right in the beginning. It's the 5th. And she was like, oh, okay. And then my birthday came and went, and I didn't hear from her. Like, no text, like, happy birthday, nothing. And then I think it was on the 8th, she texted me and she goes, oh my God, I just looked at my calendar and I had your birthday down for the 11th, but I remembered that we texted about it and I just checked the text and realized it was the 5th. I'm so sorry, happy belated, blah, blah, blah. She said she had something planned for the 11th. And I said, okay, so then just still do it on the 11th. And then next year, remember the 5th. When I stopped at the Scenic spot, you know, that I recorded and showed you, I had watched what she sent me. And I'm going to watch it on my computer again because it was so cute. But at one point she was saying to me in the video, blow out your candle, because she had like 3 little cupcakes. And she's like, blow. So I was actually blowing like on my phone, thinking it was going to, and she was blowing and her husband, and they finally blew it out. But it was funny because I really thought she meant for me to blow on the candle and that it was actually going to go out. But let's get back to this LSL. Long story long. Here we go. It says fragile. So we're going to have to fragilely open it. Here we go. It's handmade. Oh, what is it? It comes with a little thingy like this. Oh, it goes like this. So you suction it. Oh, I think I know what it is. I don't know what exactly it is. I think it's like you put it in your window. I'm afraid to open it. It's so delicate. I don't know where to start. It's saran wrap. It's shiny on one side. Isn't this adorable? And then it's flat on this side, like it doesn't shine.